for spaghetti. To cook this spaghetti, you'll need a bowl to put it in, and 2 forks, one for eating, one for mixing. Hello, and I'm going to show you how to cook it now. So first step, you have to open this. Open it like this, and then this takes. Open that, and then you want to put it in here. Yeah, that's all of it. So we've got our spaghetti here, and then I've got a fork. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a minute. This may take a while. It's done. Now I'm going to take it out. It's really hot. So I got what I needed to get this thing out of here. Okay. So this is actually how you do it properly. So you have to hold it like this and then get it out. I'll see you guys at the next step. So now you have to mix the spaghetti, so I'll speed this up, so it takes a while. So now it's all mixed. Now you have to put it back in there. Put it in there for about a minute again so it's all cooked. And I'll see you at the table so I can taste this. So now it's time to try this thing. Tasty. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.